Hello, glad to see you here. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to watch anime with friends online. There are a lot of ways how you can do it, and I will tell you about two ways. So the first one and the easiest way how you can do it, just open up Discord. So this is the special application where you can communicate with your friends. This is how this application looks like. You can just open up it, add your friend to the friends list, just call him, and in this application you can enable screen demonstration to demonstrate your browser. And of course, in your browser you need to turn on the necessary video, for example, anime. Okay, and the second way how you can do it, just go to this website, Hyperbeam, just open up it, use Hyperbeam for free, click on this button, and you need to create your account. So click on I'm looking for Hyperbeam watch party and click on the get started button right here. Now we need to create an account. You all need to do it with your friends. So let's create a new one. What is your date of birth? Just select, type here your email address and create a password and click on the create account button. And now you need to verify your email address and find the message from Hyperbeam and type here the code. Okay, welcome. You aren't in any rooms yet, but you can easily create a room or join a room. So firstly, I want to see how your friends can join to your room. They just need to click on this button, join room, and they'll just need to paste the link you send them here. Okay, but how can you get this link? All you need to do is just click on the create room button right here. Of course, in this window you can change name and add the room's image, and after that just click on create. Let's do it. Okay, and here you can find the link. Just click on the copy link button and click on start browsing. Okay, here it is. So this is like a virtual PC where you can easily watch videos, watch anime for example. And now you can send this link to your friend. He can open it and watch the screen with you. Let's just open this URL, allow it of course, enter. Of course you can turn on the sound here and start watching this anime with your friends. So it was a short tutorial about how to watch anime with your friends. Hope this video was really helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to me and put a like under this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.